Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a dolphin. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to get started with our dolphin. He's going to be kind of curved, like his tail is going to be here towards the end of the page here. I'm going to start by drawing a little circle for his eye. And I'm going to do a little circle in that circle, and then another little circle, and color everything in black except for those two little circles we made. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to work on the back. We're going to come down a little curve, and then we're making his little mouthy spot here. We're going to come on in and give him a little bit of a smile. Just a little one. And then bottom part of his mouth, and come on in. Draw a little further. And draw a little further on top here. A little further. And I'm going to give him his fin. So we just made like a hill, and then we're coming in. Okay. Now he needs a little fin on this side. So we made like a little curved line here. And then we're connecting it to his body. And now we're coming on down, continuing on with his back. And see, we really curved it in here. Now we're going to curve the rest of his body, make a curve, and now we're going to make his tail. So we got one little, kind of like a V shape, upside down V shape, but more so rounded here at the point, not super duper pointy. And we're going to do the same over here. Okay, and he needs another little flipper, another little fin here on the side. Okay, so we've got our little dolphin friend done. Now, dolphins are, well, the ones I've seen anyway, are gray. So I'm going to color the bottom side of him a lighter gray, and then the top is going to be a darker gray. And then I'm going to throw in some little blobs of blue throughout our page here to kind of give it like the feel that he's in the water. So we'll probably speed this up a little bit to make it go a little faster. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of our dolphin. So I hope you had fun drawing along today, and I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.